The earth is fair around us, the sun is bright above, but more glorious is our happiness, more glowing is our love. Your eyes so tender, look fondly into mine, and they clasp me like a blessing. Those darling hands of thine, are you glad to be so near me? For your cheek is very bright, and a smile is sometimes coming as of newly found delight. And I felt your light hand trembling, though so fearless is my own. Are you glad to be so near me? Would you grieve if I were gone? There now the tears are flowing, sure you know we'll never part, while this arm has strength to hold you thus closely to my heart. You are mine, my own dear Fanny, let me kiss your tears away. Not a passing cloud should darken the sunshine of today.